technology to promote health and wellness. Please note that the following information is based on publicly available research and is meant for educational purposes only. Always consult with a qualified healthcare provider before starting any new treatments or therapies. Health is the foundation of an ideal life desired by everyone. People need good health to improve their productivity and reduce the risk of health issues. Do you agree? Speaking of health, did you know that, according to Dr. Brian Myers in his book, The PEMF, Pulsed Electromagnetic Field, is the fifth element of health and one of the factors contributing to the health and longevity of the population in Burma and Guangxi, China. Human health is related to maintaining the geomagnetic field. Unfortunately, modern life with increased construction does not sufficiently account for natural geomagnetic fields, making it difficult for the body to receive the necessary geomagnetic stimulation. Oli Life introduces the Terahertz Terra P90, a smart physical device that uses pulse 1 MHz electromagnetic field technology to improve blood circulation, promote metabolism, and enhance heart function. It is integrated with terahertz technology, effectively linking terahertz health principles to the human heart, emitting precise terahertz energy between 3,000 to 30,000 micrometers with strong penetration power. The Terra P90 acts as an energy booster for the body, from the heart to the feet, generating biological energy and allowing the body to detoxify from the inside out, promoting better health. Using the Terra P90 is very simple. 2 sessions a day, each lasting 30 minutes, provide benefits for overall health, help increase vitality, promote meridian flow, and relieve coldness and tension in the body. The uniqueness of the Terra P90 lies in its safety, non-invasiveness, portability, and most importantly, it can be shared with loved ones. That's it. Thank you for watching. Be sure to follow us for more tips on getting the most out of your Terra P90 and staying updated on the latest ways to enhance your well-being.